What up, you guys? It's Marsh here. Another video of Will. This is gonna be part 3 of Will buying unnecessarily expensive mods for his S2000 over here. Let's show you guys what we got going on. Will bought a cooling plate, titanium. What is this? What brand is it?
Chasing J's, bro.
And that too, very necessary. Worth it, bro?
Nah, dude. No one's gonna see
What
it.
does it even say? It's chill, I guess. And then these the authentic Mugen radiator stays, you know? 100% authentic on these ones, you know? But yeah, so a couple new unnecessary engine bay mods. Oh, forgot this one though. How's the hood, Will?
That's what
This is yeah, Will got a VIS amuse hood. Got it painted. Yeah, that's the first of the body mods because Group A kind of lagged it on the rest of it, so it's got one thing done. Alright, you guys, this is the new mod for today. ASM X Bar strut tower bar thing. Is this titanium? Is it? No, it's just like burnt to look like it. So to install this, you gotta remove the intake. So that's what Will's doing. I told you, dude. Come on, dude. Easy. Dang. It's not that hot, but you're like engine based stuff, dude. Yeah, so this hood, you guys, has no it's got no hood prop hole, which is weird. Is this full carbon, right, or is it like FRP carbon thing?
No, I'm pretty sure they're all hybrid.
It's like hybrid, right? Yeah.
This one feels so tight, bro. Just take that out.
This?
Yeah, pull it.
It's like connected to something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the install today.
Wait, what is this?
ASM strut bar X brace thing. Very overpriced. But you get that little plaque right there. Nah, it should be fine.
One way to find out.
Shouldn't mess up your alignment or anything.
You should put on that bug spray, bro.
Okay, dude, I got the long socks on, dude.
Oh, you're tripping. That's a big ass bolt.
Nice.
How this works.
There you go, sir.
I might unbolt this shit first, actually.
Huh? Fit?
Yeah. What is this thing right here? It's like in the way.
Ew, that thingy. Damn, dude. This is the part of the YouTube videos that people cut out of the YouTube video, you know?
14 mil bolts are tight on there, so I
he doesn't
definitely
have
recommend if you have an
anything.
impact gun.
Right?
Alright, so we removed this thing that was blocking the brace from getting in there, and it's bolted on the steering rack, but this was connected to the intake. We don't know what that does, so we're gonna install this and then see if it matters, right? Okay, so this goes down there, bolts into like the steering rack. How much performance gains does it say?
Many
Many?
gains.
Oh, we got a hood prop solution.
Wait, is this thing like... Damn, I wonder if there's a front or back way. Because this thing's not perfectly straight. I think it needs to go the other way.
Problem solved, dude.
14.
Professional. DIY, you know, we got it in. Cut it on backwards. The drill can break it. Usually the drill can break these.
I see those mosquitoes. Dude. Oh, yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, we're still gonna have to jack up the other side.
No, we just need to do one side.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, so...
You gotta pull the wheel down, basically.
Yeah. Oh shit, it's fucking turning. I think it's because I'm touching the ground. Am I?
What? Oh, there you go. There's nothing. You got enough strength. But
Or just unbolt your side. Unbolt this side.
yeah, so as you can see, cut the strut tower back on, but the X brace part, yeah, it's not lining up, and the bolts, like, for some reason didn't bolt down. So trying to see what we need to do. Got to take this thing off or whatever, but it'll be done soon.
Damn it.
I think you just gotta take it off, dude. I mean, it wasn't that hard to get on.
I wonder if it's because I put this box back.
What, you think that's in the way? Yeah.
Yeah, just pull it.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay. Just bolt yours in a little bit.
There you go.
Is that side in there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah, it's good. It's not touching that thing either at all.
Sweet.
Second time's the charm now, dude. Tighten everything up, put it back together. Then show you guys the beauty engine shots.
Can you see if it's caught on anything on that side? Has to be.
Yeah. This hose. Try. Yeah, there you go.
That's pretty good.
This guy finally showed up, dude. Pretty much looks like how it looked when I showed you it last time, but all buttoned up, dude. Just another unnecessary mod on the new S. Damn. Amuse hood, stock bumper. What do you guys think? Looks weird, huh? Yeah, but Will's got an ASM bumper coming, so I don't know, it looks kind of weird.